Alright, so first things first for today, we're going to clean this car. When I bought it, the carpets were a mess and they're really gross and dirty. After 20 years of use and abuse, that's to be expected. So we're going to clean them today. As you can see, not only is there dirt, but the floor mats are falling apart on the car. You can see here that they've deteriorated quite a bit. So I took those out of the car already and we're going to get rid of them. To clean this car, the first thing we're going to do is take the Shopvac and vacuum all of the carpet everywhere. We want to get as much dirt, hair, and whatever else is on this carpet off before we go to the next step. The next step is spray it down with Simplegreen. So once the carpet's scrubbed down, we're going to take the Shopvac, take the filter off, and use it as a Wetvac. This will pick up everything and anything, including the water on the carpet, so it can dry quick without causing any spots or rust. Before I vacuum, I'm going to take the front two seats out so I can get underneath the carpet. I only want to do this once, and since this car is rather inaccessible in terms of where I can scrub underneath the seat and vacuum, this will make my life much easier. For this car, we need a 16mm socket in order to get the nuts off to lift up the seats out of the car. In my case, they were covered with this little plastic cap. They just pull right off. There goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight, there goes a sight. Once you have your seat unbolted, tilt it back, and you'll see a clip like this. When it's in place, it'll be held on right here. You slide it up and out. You pull this black piece outward, and then it disconnects from the car. If I remember correctly, this is for your airbags. I think a fall angel just walked by. I think a fall angel just walked by. I think it's all angels just walk by. One thing I realized when I tried to pick up the seatbelt is attached to the rails of the seat itself. So instead of trying to take that off, I just putting the seat next to the car on the old floor mats so it doesn't sit in the mud. Alright, now that this side's done, time to take that other seat out and get that done too. I think it's all angels just walk by. There goes a sight from my soul. So the process was exactly the same to take off the other seat. Let's get rid of some of these guys. Look at all the room we have now. Alright, so I'm going to vacuum this side and then we'll move on to step 2. And while I'm at it, I might as well vacuum the tops of the seats and maybe behind the seats as well, just to cover my bases. Alright, so I finished vacuuming. It's looking great. We still have some marks and spots to clean up, but those need some degreaser. So the next step is we're going to take our Simplegreen, spray down this carpet, let it soak up, and start to work all the gunk out of the carpet. Then we're going to come back and scrub. So generally, you want to get all of the carpet, and if you have a spot or two that's really bad, put some extra. That'll only help it come out of the carpet more. Now that we sprayed the Simplegreen, we're going to let it sit for about 10 minutes. In the meantime, we're going to go do some other things. Gonna grab some hot water, some soap, get it nice and sudsy, and a scrub brush. I must say, I'm getting really excited about this car. The more work I put into it, the nicer it comes out. I still have a lot to do in the long run, but just cleaning the carpet on its own is a huge step forward, and I can't wait to see their final results. Now that we got our hot sudsy water with the soap and our scrub brush, it's time to get to work on these carpets. Alright, so I just finished scrubbing the passenger side of the car. Haven't even started the driver's side yet, but I just wanted to give you a quick look at how it's turning out, and from what I can tell, it's cleaning up pretty nice. I don't think we're going to get all the stains out, but it's going to be much better than how it was. So let's take a look. So you can see all the original gunk that's stuck on the carpet, and you can see right here where I just scrubbed, there used to be a bunch of black gunk from the floor mats up front there and back here, and that all seems to have lifted, which is great news. So while we let the side we just scrubbed set in and lift more things out, we're going to start on the other side, the driver's side. I think it's all angels just walk by. There goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight, there goes a sight. Now there goes a sight from my Alright, so it's been a couple minutes. I set up the Shopvac, so it's a Wetvac. Make sure if you do this, you switch the filter if your vacuum requires it. Most do, just so you don't ruin it. So now, it's time to vacuum this all up and see the final results. Let's get to it. I think it's all angels just walk by. There goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight, there goes a sight. Now there goes a sight from my there goes a sight. I must say, it is much cleaner than it originally was. So with that, I'm gonna end it here. If you like my videos, you know what to do. I don't need to tell you. So, hope to see you next time.